Dakshal Patel and you are watching Test with Dakshal Patel. Please subscribe my channel by pressing the subscribe button. Please don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications of my video as soon as I upload them. I make tech related videos, so please subscribe my channel. Hello friends, it have been a long time from the starting of Indian Premier Leagues or IPL or any other cricket league. Many of you might have heard about Fantasy League. Many enthusiasts from you might also have downloaded Dream 11 and tried to create your own team. But you may not have done, because in Dream 11 you have to pay real money as entry fee. So today I am going to show you an app in which you can create your fantasy team without any entry fee. Yes, you can create your own team and earn real money for free. So let's start the video. First of all, open your Play Store and search Crick Play and you will get this app. I am giving its link in description, so don't forget to check it there. Install this app. I have already installed, so I am opening it up. It's loading. You will get this type of interface. Here in bottom you get a tab in which there are 4 options. First is Fantasy League. See, here you can get real money and you can get coins. So see this, I will tell you how to use this app. You click on any match like this one and then click on go to mega contest, and here you can create your own team. Like I have created one team. See this is my team. You get 1000 coins, and with these coins you have to create a team of 11 players, out of which one should be wicket keeper, 1 all-rounder compulsory, 3 bowlers compulsory, and 5 batsmen. 5 to 3 batsmen compulsory. So other is your choice. So I have created a team. This is my team. Like this you have to create your own team, and then when the real match starts and if your chosen player plays well, you get scores, you get some points, and if you do top in these points you get your real money. Like see this, I played yesterday's match, that is Punjab versus RCB, and out of 96,000 teams my team was at 8009 rank, and for this I got 2 coins. See this, here you got, if you are first you get 1600 rupees, if you are second you get 800, and likewise till 2700 you get real money. After 2700 you get coins. You might think what to do with these coins. I will tell you it later in the video, so keep watching. So see this, I was at 8000 rank and I got 2 coins for this. See this, how my players performed. I chose ABD as captain and Chris Gayle as vice captain and other players. They have received some points according to how they played. Okay, so this was how to create your team and how you can rank up your team. And then another tab is of prediction. Here you have to predict what will happen. There will be 3 questions, out of which you have to answer any one, and there will be 2 options, you have to choose any one. Like see this, I have answered this question: what will be Jofra Archer's current tournament bowling average after this? So I clicked on less than 17. I clicked on less than 17. So okay, I'm changing it. It is 17 or more, because earlier when I read the question I didn't read the word average bowling, but now I read, so it's 17 or more. So here you have to select it. If you win this continuously for 7 days, you get real money. And then I'm coming to third tab, that is my contest. Here the contest you played will be displayed. I have played many contests like this. And see this, fourth tab is my profile. Here you can get your profile, how many money you have, how many coins you have. And yes friends, you can refer and earn here. You can refer your friend and earn 6 coins from it. Now see this, I have 17 rupees which I got from a match in which I stood at a good rank. And now see this, I have 34 coins left. I'm going to tell you how to use these coins, because it is very confusing where to use your coins. So see this, you click on any team, and then you click and then you can see go to mega contest option, right? So for today's match, that is Kolkata versus Rajasthan, I have created a mega contest. You can use these coins to create 2 teams. Yes, for one match 2 teams. For first team you have to give your 12 coins, for second team 15, and likewise. You can create many teams using these coins. So this is how you use your coins in Crick Play. I hope you will use this app because it costs you nothing and you get a chance to get real money. So please like my video, share my videos, comment if you have any problem, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.